Hello, welcome back to another video. Guys, today in this video I am going to teach you how to create and insert number line in Microsoft Word. Is guys very easy and very simple method to create and insert number lines in Microsoft Word. Guys, if you are new in my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Do not waste time. Let's start our video. First, you need to open this Word and in here insert, click on it, then click on this table, down, table, insert table, number of column, here you type 11 and row 2, then click on this OK. You need to see this type of interface. Then here enter this by one by one. Like this, you have to hold it, add by one by one. Press and hold Shift plus by. Then here minus 5, then minus 4, then minus 3, then minus 2, then minus 1, and here 0, then 1, 2, 3, then 4, then 5. Then select all by here. Then in home tab, make it center like here. Then select all, and here option, then click on this arrow, and here you can select no border. Just select this also, then click on this center, then make it all center like this. You can see this all are in center. Then this select the numbers and make some changes like this. Then go this insert, then click on these shapes, and here select this arrow, then press and hold Shift and draw it. And adjust it. Then go this shape outline and see the shape outline. Then wait and select this. Like this. Very easy and very simple method to do it. To insert a number line in Microsoft Word. Guys, if you are like my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Please visit again guys.